I just want to thank everyone for joining us for this series of our evaluation of Agentforce for Salesforce and the demonstration project where we looked at our custom app standard operating procedures. It's been a great experience for us to be able to see how we can use this technology to really enhance all of our development for all of our projects going forward. It's a very exciting time. And we're glad that you were able to join us, and we just wanted to finish up with one final idea. We've always found that while implementing new technology is important to evaluate the financial results. And what we've done is we've incorporated a lot of our experience right into over the years for creating reports and analysis and strategic ideas. And we've incorporated that right into the menu for starting standard operating procedures for Agentforce. And again, by marrying up these great tools, Agentforce and standard operating procedures, we can include that analysis right here on the menu. And then when we create reports that summarize all the different things that we've been thinking about and talking about and analyzing as we move forward. I put together a quick example, and I just wanted to share in terms of how we do this. So I'll go over to this return on investment menu, and you can see I have an example, which I'll go ahead and open up. And what we've done is we've taken all those individual components of the standard operating procedure and all the features within Agentforce, and we've married them up together as we've been talking about. I know we've talked about this extensively, but anyways, in this example, we're generating the step-by-step instructions, and that's attached to the agent SOP, and now we're using an action instead of Agentforce to do that. We evaluated that on a monthly basis and compared to what we're doing right now, and we estimated that it would be $1,650 a month given our current processing, and that with the license and all the other things that go along with it, implementing this for Agentforce, we estimated that to be $1,000. So that's a savings monthly of $650. A nice return, maybe 65%. And then we have an analysis where we attach all the ROIs and calculations and summarize and discuss all the different costs and processes that are associated with that, and we attach that as a document right to this record. Again, it's a great way to evaluate this because as we go through and create this work inventory, which is really what this is, a roadmap for all the work and all the possibilities and all the innovations that are coming down the road from artificial intelligence and tools like Agentforce, it's a good way for us to stay grounded and make sure we're making good business decisions that benefit us for the long run. Now, the other good news is that although we're looking at our vendor, Salesforce and Agentforce and their products, obviously tons and tons and tons of companies are creating agents. They have all kinds of special uses. There are just so many different possibilities when it comes to every industry. You know, the future is probably agents. Software as a service is probably gone. And we've designed this in such a way, the really good thing is that if we decided to use this outside of agents, other agents that are not created through Agentforce or through this interface, we could still organize those in here. In other words, we can attach to this menu any agents, whether they're Agentforce agents or not. And we can still do the same kind of analysis and inventory with all the standard operating procedures. So obviously, we think it's a really good idea, and we think it's time for our customers and our partners to start investing. Obviously, the hyperscalers are investing. And so we'll follow up with you and make sure we walk through it and see if it's a project you want to take on with us. Thanks for all your help. Thanks for all your attention, and we'll talk to you soon.